Let us move to the next part of this lesson, that is negative sentences. Sentences that have not in them are called negative sentences. Statements that are not negative are called positive sentences. The table here shows the difference between positive and negative sentences. I am sad is a positive sentence. We add not here to make it negative, and the sentence will be I am not sad. You are sad will change into you are not sad. He is my uncle. He is not my uncle. Rahul is at home today. Rahul is not at home today. She was at home yesterday. She was not at home yesterday. We were at home yesterday. We were not at home yesterday. Notice that we add the word not after the verbs am, is, are, was, and were to change the positive sentences into negative ones. Now study this table carefully. Observe the differences between the positive and negative sentences. Our class is going on a picnic. Our class is not going on a picnic. We were going to the fair. We were not going to the fair. Hari has returned from town. Hari has not returned from town. The examination will start today. The examination will not start today. The acrobat can do many tricks. The acrobat cannot do many tricks. He was talking to his father. He was not talking to his father. Notice that when the verb is made up of two parts, we place not between two parts. Sometimes we can make negative sentences using no. Here are some examples. I had a pet. I had no pet. Gayatri has a message for you. Gayatri has no message for you. I have some friends. I have no friends. For sentences that have the verbs has, have, or had plus a, an, or some, we drop a, an, or some and add no after the verb to make them negative. We have learned how to change the positive sentence to their negative forms. Now, we will try to transform declarative sentence or statements to interrogative sentence. I am a student. Am I a student? Manoj is sick. Is Manoj sick? The birds are chirping. Are the birds chirping? Karan was at home. Was Karan at home? The children were in bed. Were the children in bed? Notice that when we change statement with the verbs am, is, was, and were to interrogative sentences, we place these words before the subjects. The pattern is in statement, subject then verb. In interrogative sentence, verb then subject. Now look at these statements that have a helping verb and main verb. Observe how we can transform sentences in such cases. I am going to pass my maths exam. Am I going to pass my maths exam? Ritesh is fighting with Harsh. Is Ritesh fighting with Harsh? They are buying toys from the shop. Are they buying toys from the shop? Ravi was talking in the class. Was Ravi talking in the class? Zara was dancing beautifully. Was Zara dancing beautifully? The grasshopper can jump very high. Can the grasshopper jump very high? They will paint the house. Will they paint the house? The students can go home now. Can the students go home now? When a statement that has a helping verb and main verb, the interrogative is formed using this pattern. In statement, subject plus helping verb plus main verb. In interrogative sentence, helping verb plus subject plus main verb.